Best drill drivers for your DIY needs. Are you tired of struggling with slow, inefficient drill drivers that just don't get the job done? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit. First up is the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit, priced at $139. Right off the bat, what grabbed my attention was its ergonomic design and powerful brushless motor. If you want a solid tool set that can tackle a variety of projects with ease, this is worth a serious look. Here's how this product can solve your problems. The drill is compact and lightweight, weighing just 3.6 pounds, which means you won't feel fatigued even after hours of work. The 1,700 inch-pounds of torque is impressive, allowing you to drive screws and drill through wood or plastic without breaking a sweat. The integrated LED work lights are a game changer, illuminating dark spaces so you can see exactly what you're doing. In fact, over 10,000 users have trusted this combo kit just last month, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Product number 2, high-spec small electric screwdriver. Next, we have the high-spec small electric screwdriver, which is an affordable option at just $19.99. I was immediately charmed by its compact design and vibrant pink color. If you want something lightweight and simple for small household tasks, this could be your go-to. This screwdriver is battery-powered and features a USB rechargeable battery, so you can easily juice it up in just 3 to 5 hours. Weighing only 0.7 pounds, it's super easy to handle, making it perfect for quick fixes around the house. With 26 driver bits included, it tackles various screws, making furniture assembly or installing fixtures a breeze. Users have bought over 8,000 of these in the past month, reflecting its popularity among homeowners. Product number 3, DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Set. The next product is another DeWalt tool, the 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Set, retailing at $99. I was impressed by its lightweight design and high-performance motor. If you want a reliable drill that's built for home repairs and DIY projects, this is worth considering. This drill offers 300 unit watts out, or UWO, of power, which means it can handle a wide array of drilling and fastening applications. With a maximum rotational speed of 1,500 RPM, you'll get through your tasks quickly and efficiently. The ergonomic handle ensures that you maintain comfort during use, which is crucial if you're working on long projects. Plus, it's suitable for both light construction and home repairs, making it a versatile tool. Over 7,000 units sold recently indicate that many are finding value in this one. Product number 4, Black & Decker 20V Max Power Connect Drill Driver Kit. Coming in fourth is the Black & Decker 20V Max Power Connect Drill Driver Kit, priced at $64.99. I was really drawn to the fact that it comes with a whopping 100-piece toolkit. If you want a comprehensive set that covers all your drilling and driving needs, this one is definitely worth checking out. This drill driver features a 20V Max lithium-ion battery that ensures you're always ready to tackle your next project. The 24-position clutch allows for optimal control and precision, making it easy to drill into various materials. It's versatile enough for all kinds of home projects, from assembling furniture to repairing fixtures. With 3,000 sold recently, it seems to be a favorite for DIYers. Product number 5, Skill Twist 2.0 Rechargeable Screwdriver. Last but not least, we have the Skill Twist 2.0 Rechargeable Screwdriver, priced at $34.99. I was genuinely surprised by its pivoting head and compact design. If you're looking for a portable tool for quick jobs, this one might be right up your alley. The pivoting head locks into 3 positions, allowing you to get into tight spaces without awkward angles. Plus, the torque setting control gives you flexibility depending on your project, so you won't over-tighten screws and risk damage. It even has an LED light for added visibility in dimly lit areas. This model has also sold over 3,000 units recently, showcasing its appeal for quick home repairs.
So, we've covered a range of drill drivers today. The DeWalt 20V Max Combo is a top pick for versatility, while the high-spec screwdriver offers a budget-friendly option for light tasks. The DeWalt drill driver set is solid for DIY projects. Black & Decker provides a comprehensive kit, and the Skill screwdriver is great for quick fixes.